For all you DIYers out there, I have a language arts game that I'm going to share with you today. If you are not into DIY, I also have this game already up and ready to go on my TPT page. All you have to do is print. Here we go. So the game I want to show you today is a Pigs in Mud sight word game. And for this game, instead of using magnetic letters or letter cards, I like to use these they're actually pig erasers that I found on Amazon, and I write the letters on them just with a Sharpie. I do write the letters on both sides so that students don't have to worry about flipping the pigs over. And I found these amazing tweezers at the Dollar Tree. Usually I have to go to Lakeshore or a company that charges a lot more. They did have two different types. These are a little bit more pointed. They are easier to grab. The red ones have a lot more resistance, so they're a little tougher. So depending on the ability of your kids, make sure that you look out for that. They were in the package that looks like this, and I found them in the school supply section at the Dollar Tree. So my students would use these tweezers, and I would let them pick up the pigs with their letters to spell the sight word. There's plenty of sight word cards here, so you can definitely differentiate depending on the ability of your students. Now, if you are somebody that likes to create games on your own, then I also have these mud puddles that I made out of just brown construction paper. I did use the pig still from Amazon, but you could do this and you could just use bright colored construction paper and make your own square or rectangle with the sight word cards, and students could also use magnetic letters. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, please like, subscribe, and leave your comments below, and I'll see you next time.